Ever wonder about a tax hitting millions unexpectedly? Today, we unravel the alternative minimum tax, or AMT. This complex system often surprises taxpayers during filing season. It's a parallel tax calculation designed to ensure fairness. However, its history reveals significant, unintended consequences for many. Many find themselves paying more than they ever expected. Let's explore its controversial origins and surprising modern impact. The AMT began in 1969, a response to wealthy taxpayers. Congress discovered 155 high-income households paid zero federal tax. This sparked outrage, demanding a fairer, more equitable system. The initial intent was catching those abusing deductions and loopholes. It targeted specific preference items like accelerated depreciation. The goal was ensuring everyone paid their fair share minimum. President Nixon signed it into law, aiming for greater tax justice. This new tax aimed to prevent widespread avoidance by the affluent. Initially, the AMT rarely impacted the average American family. The problem started escalating rapidly in the 1980s and 1990s. Crucially, the AMT was not indexed for inflation for decades. Economic growth and rising incomes pushed more people into it. Tax laws also expanded the types of income subject to AMT. Deductions for state and local taxes, SALT, became a major factor. Suddenly, middle-income families in high-tax states faced unexpected bills. The tax designed for millionaires now ensnared ordinary professionals. This created significant public outcry and political frustration annually. Today, the AMT still affects millions of American taxpayers. The Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017 brought significant changes. It substantially increased the AMT exemption amounts temporarily. This drastically reduced the number of households subject to AMT. For 2023, the exemption is $81,300 for single filers. Married couples filing jointly have an exemption of $126,500. Yet, high-income earners with specific deductions can still trigger it. Stock options, large capital gains, and high SALT deductions are triggers. The AMT remains a highly controversial and debated topic. Supporters argue it maintains tax fairness and revenue stability. They believe it prevents the wealthiest from exploiting loopholes. Opponents call it overly complex, inefficient, and unfair. It often penalizes taxpayers for legitimate, common deductions. Many advocate for its complete repeal, citing administrative burden. The Tax Foundation has frequently criticized its complexity. Its future remains uncertain, tied to ongoing political negotiations. Understanding the AMT protects your finances from unexpected surprises. The AMT, born from tax avoidance, became a complex beast. It evolved from targeting billionaires to impacting ordinary Americans. Stay informed. This unpredictable tax system can affect anyone. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.